Hey, give me 2 days. 2 days and I will show you how to turn $5 into $140,000. Are you broke? Have you heard about NFTs? Have you heard about Metaverse? Have you heard about Coin? Did you miss Bitcoin in 2009? Did you miss Ethereum in 2015? Did you miss BNB in 2017? Here is another opportunity of Coin. Give me 2 days free training and I'm going to show you how you can do NFT business. You can turn your $5 into $140,000 repeatedly. I can assure you. Put your name and your email address below and hit start now. The moment you hit it, you meet me at the other side and I'm going to be taking you by the hands. I'm going to take you through a training that's going to transform your life. You've never seen anything work like this. You have never seen anything like that before. What I'm going to show you is far bigger than whatsoever that you are thinking of, whatever you have done in your life. Do you want to make income like this or you want to make income like this? I'm going to show you how to make this type of money. And then after that, your life will be put on a pedestrian where you will never be poor again. Meet me at the other side. Put your email address and your name below and hit start now. And I will show you right away, free of charge.